Hello students, I am Raja Chauhan from Lakshya International School Maheshwar. Today we are going to continue chapter number 5, Algebraic Expression of class 7th Mathematics. In this video we will see how we can add or subtract algebraic expressions. Here there is one example you can see here. 7x minus 3x plus minus 2y plus y equals to x plus 2y. How this answer came, we will see. Opening bracket with negative sign outside. How we can open bracket or how we can change the sign. Here is one example. Here you can see minus sign is out of the bracket. So when you will multiply minus sign in this bracket values, so what will be the values? Minus x square. Now here minus minus plus, so plus 2x. Now minus plus minus, so minus y square. So like this you can multiply with the negative sign which is outside the bracket. Now on the basis of these topics we will see exercise number 3. Now question number 1, combine the like terms and simplify. Question number first, 2p minus 3q q plus p minus 4q plus 10p minus 3q. First we will see the p terms. What are the p terms? This one and this one. Now we will write 2p plus 5p plus 10p. Now how many p is there? 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 2 17p. 17p. Now we will solve q1. So minus 3q plus minus q minus q, then minus 4q, then minus 3q. Now all are in the minus sign, so minus 3 minus 4 minus 8 minus 8 minus 3 minus 11. So here the answer will be minus 11q. Now you have to combine these two answers, that is 17p minus 11q. So this will be your answer. Now question number 2, 16a square minus b plus 5 minus 6 minus a square plus 7a square plus b square minus 5b square plus c square. Now what you have to do? You have to solve first a square terms. What are they? 6a square plus minus a square plus a square plus a square. These are the a square term. Now you can see 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 6 14, 14 minus 1 13, so 13a square. Now we will see b square term, minus b square plus 5b square plus b square minus 5b square. Now here minus 1 and here also minus 5, so minus 6b square and plus 6b square. So plus minus cancel, 6b cancel equals to 0. So there is no b square term. So 13a square will be the answer. Now we will see the last question, 10t cube minus 4t square plus minus 7t minus t cube plus 7t square minus 7t minus 15t square. 10 t cube, first we will see q. Now here minus minus plus, so plus t cube. So how many t cube term is there? 11 t cube. Now we will see how many terms are there for t square, that is minus 4, and this one 7t square, and this one, so minus 4t square plus 7t square. Now minus minus plus, so 15t square. Now how many t square term is there? 15 plus 7, that is 22. 22 minus 4, 18t square, so 18t square. Now we will see t terms, that is minus 7t and plus 7t. Minus minus plus, so this is cancel out, so there is no t term, 0t. Now we will see question number 2. Add the algebraic expression. How to add the two algebraic expressions? We have first algebraic expression, that is 6x square minus 7x. Now next 4x square plus 10x, then 3x minus 3x, so we will write in x term which is of plus sign and minus x square. Now you can see first we will solve x term, so 7 10 3, 10 plus 13 and 13 minus 7, 6x. Now x square terms, 6 plus 4 10, 10 minus 1, that is 9x square, so 9x square plus 6x will be the answer. Now question number 2. 11x cube minus 10x square plus 5x, 2x plus 3x, so here we have written 0 because there is no term for x square. Now 9x square minus x, so we will write 0 here because there is no term for x cube. Now we will solve 5 plus 3 8, 8 minus 1 7x. Okay, now minus 10 plus 9, minus 10 plus 9 equals to minus 1, so minus x square. Now 11 plus 2 13, so 13x cube, so this will be your answer. Now all the answers are given here, you have to solve them in the same manner. Question number 3. Subtract the following algebraic expression. First 7x minus 1 from 14 plus x, so first we will write 14 plus x minus 7x minus 1, 14 plus x. Now you have to multiply minus sign in this number, so what will be the number? You will get minus 7 6. Now minus minus plus 1. Now 14 plus 1 15. Now minus 7 plus 1 equals to minus 6x, so you can write minus 6x plus 15. This will be your answer. Now question number 3 we will solve. 3x cube plus 4x square plus 5 minus x cube minus x square. Now when you will simplify these, 4x square plus 5 minus x cube plus x square. Now here you can easily see 3 minus 1, you will get 2x cube. Okay, 2x cube. Now 4x square plus 1x square equals to 5x square. Now plus 5 as it is, so this will be your answer. Now all the answers are given here, you have to solve them in same manner. Now question number 4. What should be added to 7x square plus 8x plus 10 to get 15x minus x square minus 4? Let a should be added to 7x square plus 8x plus 10. So 7x square plus 8x plus 10 plus a. Here we have considered a number that is sub a. Now we have to find out the value of a. So how we can find out? We have written here. Now we will just transfer this value to the RHS. So when you will transfer them, it will be of negative sign. Now you have to multiply negative sign to the complete number. So here minus 7x square, then minus 8x, then minus 10. Now when you will solve this, means a minus x square minus 7x square means minus x square. Now 15x minus 8x means 7x, minus 4 minus 10, that is minus 14. Now question number 5, the sum of two algebraic expressions is 9b square plus 4ab if one of the expression is 6ab minus a square b square. Find the other. Now let the another expression be x. So here again we have considered that x. Now 6ab minus a plus b square plus x we have considered. Now we have to equate them. Now x equals to, again we have transferred this number to RHS. It will be of minus sign. Here it is plus sign. When we will transfer, it will become of minus sign. Now you have to multiply minus to the complete expression. Then here there will be minus sign, here there will be plus sign. Now when you will solve this, you will get your answer. Now question number 6, in the same manner you have to solve as you solved in our previous question. Now question number 7, what should be subtracted from 9p cube minus 2p square plus 4p? Again here it is subtraction is given here, so we have considered minus x here. Now in the same manner you have to find the value. Question number 8, the sum of three algebraic expression is 2x cube minus 5x square if two of the expressions are x cube minus x square and 4x square minus x cube. Find the third. Now let the third algebraic expression be a. Here we have considered the third algebraic expression a. So a equals to this expression plus this one. Okay, so equals to will be this equation, because it is given the sum of three algebraic expression is this one, that is 2x cube minus 5x square, this one. And what are the two expressions? That is x cube minus x square and 4x square minus x cube. So we have written here. Now what you have to do, you just have to transfer these two terms in the RHS. So when you transfer them, you will simplify and solve them, you will get a algebraic expression which is your answer. From the sum of 9x minus x and x minus 10x, subtract minus 11x square minus 6x. Now here first we will find the sum of this one. So what will be 9x square plus x, 9x cube plus x cube, 10x cube. Now minus x cube and minus 10x cube minus 11x square, sorry it will be the square term, plus x as it is. Now this will be the addition. Now we have to subtract minus 11x square minus 6x. So when you will subtract, what will you get? 10x cube plus 7x. Now 11th, same, what you have to do, first you have to find out the sum of this one and then you have to subtract the sum of this one, then you will get your answer. Now we will see exercise number 5.4. Question number 1, look at the following pattern made by matchsticks. Complete the table and find the general formula. Here we will see one pattern is given here which is made up of matchsticks. So how many number of triangles? These are the given 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now we have to count the number of matchsticks. So For first triangle, how many matching stick we need? 3. 1 2 3. Now for 2, 4 5 6. For third one, 7 8 9. Now for fourth one, here we have written 9. Now 10 11 12. So 12, then 15, then 18, then 21, then 24. Now what is the thing? You have to find the general formula. What will be the general formula? Y equals to 3x, where y is the number of matchstick and x equals to the number of triangle. So this will be our general formula. Now for the second one, we will see number of double square. So for first, how many matchstick we will require? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7. Now for here you have to count 12 17 22 27 32 37. You have to count them and write, and then you have to find out what will be the general formula, that is y equals to 5x plus 2. Now in question number 2, complete the following table of number pattern using the given algebraic expression. Now algebraic expression is given here, that is n plus 6. Now what you have to do, here it is given first. So for here you have to put 1 in place of n. So 1 plus 6 7 here. Now 2 plus 6 8. Now 3 plus 6 9. 5 plus 6 11. 10 plus 6 16. 20 plus 6 26. So like this you have to fill the table. Now 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1. So for 1 it is 2 multiply 1. So 2 minus 1 equals to 3. This one. Now 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 1 5. Now 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 1 9. Now 2 10s are 20. 20 minus 1 19. Now 2 20s are 40. 40 minus 1 39. So you just have to put these numbers in the place of n, and you have to find out the value and complete the table. Here we have completed chapter number 5. In the next video we will start chapter number 6. Till that you have to prepare all the questions very well. Thank you and have a nice day.